like a Hellcat.
Hello and welcome to Outdoor Bros.
Hey, you got it right.
Today we'll be reviewing this Walther PPQ airsoft gun.
PPQ airsoft.
I have the same one. Jared just got a new one. And
What's up?
I have the same target as him. He has the
We had the same.
He has the same as I have, just different BBs because I had to buy new
Yeah.
ones because all mine ran out. But let's get right into this. Let's go.
Okay, so we're going to look at the regular gun. So there are two versions of this gun. There is the regular version for at the academy I got this gun at. It was $20, $19.99. It comes the regular version comes with this gun, one magazine, and the blue bullets.
I thought it came with 2 magazines.
Do they both come with 2 magazines?
I think they do. Just
Alright.
This one comes with a suppressor, BBs,
Okay.
and
But I got the upgraded version for
same as
I got
me.
it for $22.
Yeah, same as me.
And what it adds on is
A suppressor,
this
just like mine.
silencer, and these glow-in-the-dark
BBs.
BBs.
They work really well.
And
Now
these
they may not.
suppressor-
I don't know if they glow really well because
Yeah, they
I haven't
don't.
tested them out at night. But they
do
work.
shoot better.
They shoot a little bit better than the blue ones.
The suppressor makes it shoot so much better, guys.
It does.
Really
It
does.
silences it a good
And
amount.
it makes it shoot.
It's a little bit harder because you can't line up
really
the
use the
sight.
sight, yeah.
But whenever you do get it on target, it shoots.
does.
It doesn't move as much.
Disclaimer: this comes separately. This is a whole.
Yeah, I have
different
the same target as he
thing.
does.
But it's a pretty good gun. So I'm gonna show you about this gun. I'm just gonna show you the basics, and Ethan will show you more. Is it in frame, Ethan?
Yeah.
All right. So we'll start off with
You start up with this
safety. So the safety is kind of hard to get on.
I'll talk about the safety trigger, the slide lock.
So like that. You can change it to safety and fire. To cock it, just like regular. Pull it back. And you'll see that it does not have any bullets in it right now.
But it shows that it is cocked.
That's cocked, and then if you look and shoot it, nothing in it. Boom.
You want me to show more?
I'll show you how the mag goes in real fast. Just regular. Cock it back.
Fire it.
Ethan will show you how to take out the mag and everything like that. So, Ethan, you want to show them?
Yep. Alright, so this is not like every other gun that you would think. It has a special magazine drop. It doesn't have one of those buttons. It has, you push down, like right there, and it'll show you on this side. You push that down, and
Push it down more. Push it down.
his doesn't slide as good as mine.
Yeah.
But it does slide a good amount. So that's a special kind of magazine drop.
It's
And then
cool. It really is.
There's the trigger. Now, you can't just regularly pull the trigger. You have to pull the safety trigger first to be able to pull the actual trigger. It has 3 different points.
So if you're just carrying it, you don't
You don't
accidentally
like pull
just-
it and then it just shoots. And then, like Drew said, you have your fire and your safety. It has an actual open part. Whenever you pull it back, it has springs in here, and you can.
It's
see,
mostly
you can
plastic.
See through,
It does have some
you
metal.
can see through it pretty good.
Yeah.
Then there's the slide lock.
Oh yeah, it's cool.
Slide lock. Pull it back.
If there are no bullets in it, when you pull it back, it will stop back. And Ethan showed them how to undo it.
Yours isn't doing it. It's not as old as mine. Yours are just newer, so it wasn't. Oh yeah, that's what it might be. Let me try it out. What's this?
Yeah, I'll put the empty mag in. So that mag is empty.
There you go.
Yeah.
And it'll lock back. The mag has to be in
As you
for
can
it to
see.
lock back.
Right there.
It has your barrel, just like the real gun. And this is a full-on replica of the real gun.
It does have an orange chip, so does the suppressor. The suppressor is easy to go on. Don't do it too tight because you don't want to get stuck on. but
you have to kind of sometimes put it on a certain way so it doesn't just like fall. Gotta.
Hey, Ethan, can you show them?
See how much it silenced it?
Yeah. Take the mag out for me, Ethan. Alright. Here, put the gun down. Show them how to work the mag.
Okay, so let's do with this one.
Yes.
So it has a speed loader in the back. So you can get this. Hold up. So you open it up and you can dump your BBs in it. And as you can see, I'm loading extra BBs into it.
It already is full, that's why they're falling out.
Well, no, it's not completely full.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
But I just dumped them in really fast and took them out. You can pull this down and speed load it, lock it, and then dump. I kind of move it, tap it, and then
Holds 15 bullets in the actual.
Yeah, 15 rounds. And then you put it in.
And then we're good. Cock it.
And fire. Why didn't I fire? Oh.
Alright, Ethan. So we showed them about the gun. How about we actually test it? Like, show them how it works?
I don't know. Maybe like this?
No. Alright, so Ethan's about to fire some. I'm going to show you all the target. Let me just get back and zoom in.
Auto reset.
Yeah, so. You good?
Yeah.
Alright, we're ready.
All right. Take one. Oh.
Nice.
Oh.
Woo!
I'm going to take the suppressor off and it'll be a little bit more accurate.
Really? I like it with suppressor.
Well, I do too, but I just want to be able to see the sights.
So this is without suppressor.
And it's out.
And it's out.
All you gotta do, drop it, pull back,
Bye, suppressor.
and boom. Alright, so Drew's gonna be shooting it now. Let's see how he does it. He put the suppressor back on. Depends how you like it whenever you don't want it. So let's go.
Zoom in on it.
We don't need to zoom in, bro.
Nice.
You got it.
Woo.
Oh, almost. We'll switch every time we need to replace the magazine.
And we're done.
Out.
Yep.
Alright, so me and Drew are going to switch and we're going to...
Okay, Ethan's gonna go again. Let's see if he can get down that last target. Last target to auto each of them is the smallest. There we go. Ethan. Woo!
We're going to do the whole target twice and then we'll wrap up the video. You good with that?
Yep. Nice. Oh, taking some pressure off. Okay.
It feels lighter. Dude, this is mean.
I know.
It's moving the bullets. Gosh.
We out?
Yeah, the jam.